For centuries, the boundary of knowledge was defined by human genius. The greatest minds pushed the limits of what was possible to know. But some mysteries are not just hard, they are computationally impossible. Problems where the sheer number of possibilities dwarfs the time given to the universe. Today, the boundary of what we can know is being redrawn not by a better human mind, but by a different kind of intelligence. It is being redrawn by the machine. Our journey begins in biology, with a problem considered one of the most important unsolved puzzles in science: the protein folding problem. Proteins are the workhorses of life. Their function, everything from fighting disease to catalyzing chemical reactions, is determined by their final, intricate 3D shape. For decades, we relied on expensive, time-consuming experiments. Mathematically, the task is immense. A single protein could theoretically fold in ways numbering more than the atoms in the universe. It's the ultimate needle in a haystack. Enter AlphaFold. This wasn't a faster supercomputer, it was a new method. Instead of brute force, the AI learned the language of nature, processing the amino acid chain like a complex sentence. In minutes, the AI predicts the structure with near experimental accuracy. This breakthrough is saving researchers years. It is accelerating the hunt for drugs against diseases like Alzheimer's and Parkinson's. The unsolvable is now predictable. The power of AI extends beyond biology and into the bedrock of physics and mathematics. Consider the Navier-Stokes equations. These equations govern the movement of every fluid on Earth, from the ocean currents to the smoke from a candle. While essential, finding a general, perfect solution has been a Millennium Prize Problem, a challenge that has eluded every great mind since the 19th century. AI is tackling this differently. It finds solutions, patterns, and conjectures educated mathematical guesses that are invisible to human perception. The AI becomes a discovery engine, forcing us to expand the boundaries of human-provable math. This fundamental shift is not just about speed. AI is a different kind of thinker. It spots correlations and connections across massive, disparate datasets, links that no human specialist, confined to their own silo, would ever notice. The machine is not a replacement for human genius. It is the ultimate amplifier. It removes the computational constraints, freeing us to ask bigger questions, faster. With AI, the unsolvable is now merely a challenge. Humanity is no longer limited by its own speed, but by its own imagination. Join the Digital PJ as we continue to track the biggest breakthroughs still ahead.